Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.
Hi everybody.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Ellie and I'm your college prep big sis, here to give you all the tips, tricks, and advice I wish I had received when I was applying to college. Today's video is all about scholarships. This is your guide to getting scholarship money made easy. First things first, you have to be willing to put in the work to see it pay off later. Let me explain what I mean. Crafting a few high quality essays that will be used in your scholarship applications will help you so much in the long run because you can just reuse these essays and keep submitting scholarship applications with that exact essay. I wrote down some common questions in the description so that you guys don't have to search for those questions that essays commonly ask you in scholarship applications. So check that out in the description and then start crafting a response based off of that, because those are some common questions that you're going to see in scholarship applications, and if you can just craft some responses to those, I promise you your essay is going to be golden. Another good thing to have on standby is actually a letter of rec from your teacher or professor, and also your high school transcript or your college transcripts, depending on where you are in the process right now. Number 2, draw your audience in with a good hook in your essays. This can be something shocking, a controversial take, an unpopular opinion, and more. It needs to be something that can hold your audience's attention and give them something to look forward to and want to continue reading. Because truthfully, that's what's going to make you stand out, is having something that will keep the audience having a high retention rate and making them want to continue reading your essay. Number 3, now that you have your high quality essay, it's time to start racking in that money. Put in the work and try to do at least one scholarship a month. And I know that may sound kind of extreme, but that is what will truly help you start getting your scholarship money. Combined with this next trick, you're gonna be unstoppable. Number 4, you're not a bad candidate, you've just been looking in the wrong places. What you really need to be doing to rack in that money is start applying to local scholarships and scholarships that will apply specifically to you. Lucky for you, I've made a spreadsheet that has all of the scholarships that you could ever need, sorted by grade level, minority, citizenship status, and everything that you could possibly need. The scholarship spreadsheet is actually going to be releasing on June 23rd, so make sure that you keep an eye out for that, and shameless plug, follow my Instagram if you're not already, because you're going to get a lot of updates and a lot of amazing things the daily that I post, and you'll be the first to know and have the inside look on everything going on. Oh my gosh, that was a lot to say. But anyways, follow the Instagram if you want to. I'll put it on the screen. But with this spreadsheet that I've made, you're bound to find at least one scholarship a month that you can apply for, and I promise you, if you start looking for scholarships that apply specifically for you and are local, maybe you have a specific circumstance that is not very common, that will really help you get the scholarship money. Number 5. Don't write off the little scholarships, because those can actually lead to a lot of success for you. The $250 to $1,000 scholarships are actually game changers, because if you can win enough of those, you're gonna stack up so much money for college that you're not gonna know what to do with it. Also, don't have this mindset that you're too good for the small scholarships, because it's money at the end of the day, and if you get enough of it, it's gonna make a big difference. Also, make sure you keep your eyes peeled for a scholarship tracker that I'm gonna be making soon and releasing soon, designed for you to track all of your scholarships and have a place to have all your information. And also, all my resources are free. I got you, period. Because, I am a low-income student myself, so if I can help other low-income students or middle class students, whatever you are, I'm here for you, because I understand and I'm in the same predicament. And also, some other good scholarships that you should be applying for and looking at are the local scholarships in your counties, because personally I know there are a lot of scholarships in my county that are only given to people who live in my county. So make sure that you look at those kind of scholarships and see what's available, because truthfully you never know, it could be something really big and you don't even know. Well guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please, if you can, like, comment, subscribe, because it really helps this channel out and helps me continue making videos for you guys. But that would really help me out, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. I made a document. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Oops. I didn't make. And combined with this next trip, bro, this is literally my second take, and I said the exact same thing twice. Okay, anyways, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, and if you get enough of it, it's gonna make a big difference. So yeah, period. Get that money, girl.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh my gosh, my eyes are literally watering. I'm not crying, I promise. Okay.